Hello everyone. I'm Kumkum Hirani, and today I'm the student of Department of English at Maharaja Krishna Kumar Singhji Bhavnagar University. In this video, I'm discuss about the film study about the movie Maharaja. So let's discuss about that movie. So here is film study of Brahmastra. So first we have to know that what is a film study. So film study is the academic analysis and the interpretation of the film as an art form, culture product and communication tool. It includes studying how film are made, what they mean and how they impact audience. Second one, now we have to look at overview about the movie. Like a movie name was a Brahmastra, directed by the Ayan Mukherjee, and this movie released on 2022. So Brahmastra is chosen for film study because it used many cinematic technique and cinematography. It shows multiple timelines through the flashback and mythology stories. Flashback reveals the past of characters while cross-cutting at tension during action scenes. The film has a strong mise-en-scene which rich visual, symbolic set and customs. So here is the wide shot. First, we have to know that what is a wide shot. A wide shot is also called as a long shot. Is a camera shot that shows the subject from a distance, usually the full body of a person, along with good amount of the background. So first we look at that first picture, that character of Shiva, how his full body was like a background impact more rather than his body, so it's called the wide shot. Also, as well as the second picture we can here see that um, the second one was a high angle. So basically, what is high angle? High angle. So high angle shot is when the camera is placed above the subject, looking down of them. So here are the video. Like in this video, like scene of Shiva is the mountain, and using the Brahmastra. So it's make him smaller, and that other powerful something scene was happening. As the audience, we can see that. Third one was a low angle. So what is low angle? Low angle shot is when the camera is belong to the person and look at them. It makes the person look strong, powerful, and heroism, as we can say in this video. So in the camera, look at him, like making him look powerful and showing some supernatural elements, as we can see in this video. So like close up shot. So basic, what is close up shot? A close up shot is a camera shot that shows a person face or an objective very closely. It is used to show emotion, reaction or important details. So we can see in the screen, like how the character of Shiva as a close up shot, it shows the how he was suffered from something, as well as here one video. क्योंकि प्यार से खूबसूरत कुछ भी नहीं है सुनिए It is it is also close up shot that shows some kind of emotion which audience can easily connect with that. क्योंकि प्यार से खूबसूरत कुछ भी uh, Shoulder shot. A shoulder shot is when the camera shows the back of one of character's shoulder and head while focusing on the person or objective they are looking at. One among the female character's shoulder shot, and another one was a male shoulder shot, which can in this scene we can find that how character are connect with each other, and how they can understand easily. So here are some flashback scene. So a flashback scene is a scene that shows something that happened in the past. It helps the audience understand and characters backstory of the reason behind current situation. Here are some videos. another one is so it's both are flashback scenes. So we have to know that why flashback is important in the story because it's create curiosity and make a story more interesting. Here are the mise-en-scene. So, what is mise-en-scene? So, mise-en-scene is pronounced as a mise-en-scene, is a French term literally meaning placing on stage. In film, it refers to everything visible in the frame, including setting, costumes, actors, and how these elements are arranged to create a specific mood, meaning, or visual style is encompasses the overall visual design and arrangement of a scene. Essential everything that contribute to the look at the feel of a film. So of a film. So here we can see a video. है वो इसका साइंटिस्ट बता दे और अपनी जान बचा ले बता जो so in this video, we can find that is a character name was Mohan. Mohan is from a Brahmastra movie, the big like a ground with in this scene we can find that prawns, some lights, how dark also darkness was come and suddenly camera was fast. So it's about how camera was quickly making the movement. So is about something was happening here. So it's about है वो इसका साइंटिस्ट बता दे और अपनी जान बचा ले बता so thank you. This is from my side. So yeah, this is about the film study. So at the end, we have to know that why what is a learning outcome. So basically, in this task, so my out learning was that we know that how the camera was working, how the that some flashback was important, how mise en scène was important. Everything is important. Then move it, so it become a more impactful movie. So thank you.